Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we have our monthly eyeshadow palette for the month of February. Sorry it's a couple days late, been a lot of stuff going on. We are giving away the ColourPop Heavy Petal Palette. We are going to do some looks, do some swatches, let you know what you need to do in order to win your very own one of these. All the looks, swatches, everything is done off of mine. Yours is brand new, not touched, not swatched, nothing. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. So this is our eyeshadow palette that we're giving away for the month of February. Giveaways are really easy on the channel. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So the Heavy Petal Palette is a 12 pan pressed powder. Like I said, I'm going to show you mine. Yours is going to be brand new. Does retail for $22. So it's a warm toned neutral palette. These shades definitely lead more on the warmer side. You know me, I like cool tones particularly. There is a pressed glitter here, right here. And then there are 5 shimmers and 6 mattes in here as well. Like with most ColourPops, everything is really pigmented on here, even the mattes, and there are, we'll get into it when we do the swatches. There's definitely some shades and stuff in here that I would use again. There's definitely some shades in here that just aren't my preference and that I won't use. So let's get into a couple of the swatches. I do like using Full Sun here. It's a very light, warm toned. It does have a pearl finish. Pollen here is a warm toned light peach. It is a matte finish. Floral Feels here is a warm toned light coral with a matte finish. So this Hyacinth shade here, this is one of my favorite shades in here. So this is slightly warm tone light lavender with a pearl finish. Peony here is a warm toned medium dark coral with a semi-matte finish. It'd be a good blush shade too. Daisy here is a warm toned light orange with a pearl finish. So Garden Variety here is a warm tone light medium orange with a metallic finish. So Sprung, I think this shade with like this one, I think those two would look really good. Even the like this row here, you could easily do stuff like in the rows. I think that is really laid out well that way. So this is a warm tone medium dark coral with a metallic finish. Freshly Cut is a warm tone to medium dark orange with a matte finish. Thrive. This is your pressed glitter. This is very a warm tone pressed glitter. It is what I have on the center of my lids. It's also what is transferred down the rest of my face because it is pressed glitter and I don't really like pressed glitters, and because you get a lot of fallout with this one. This one and this one are my two big problem shades with this palette. So here's the pressed glitter. So Feeling Grounded here. It is a slightly warm tone dark copper with a semi-matte finish. It is so powdery. There is so much fallout. Be very careful. Knock off your brushes with this shade. I mean, it's a really pretty shade. And those together are really pretty. And then Potting Mix down here is a slightly warm tone medium dark taupe with a matte finish. There are your swatches. Okay, let's get into a couple of the looks. So I have a doctor's appointment a little bit, so I think I want to keep this one kind of pretty low-key. So let's do Floral Feels all over the lid. And then I'm going to take Freshly Cut here into the crease and that outer corner. I do have hooded eyes, so I do bring that up just a little bit higher. Then while I have some on my brush, I do kind of run that right underneath as well. And then let's do Take Peony kind of all over the lid. So I'm kind of in love with this Hycinia shade, and I really want to take that as a topper for all over the lid except for the very inner part. And then let's take Full Sun on the very inner corner. Okay, let me put some mascara and lips on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. So I mean, you could also easily do with this kind of like a glam look using like this shade and then like these two shades. That would be really pretty as well. I think I am gonna kind of concentrate on this middle quad here. So I want to go into Florida Feels here into a little bit above the crease. Just kind of like an all over shade. And then I'm going to go into Freshly Cut, just into the crease and a little bit above. And I want to take a little bit of that right underneath, just on the tip there. So I kind of changed my mind like halfway. I mean, you could easily do a warmer look, maybe going like these three. I think I just kind of want to do one with these two right here. Let's put that Feeling Grounded. We're going to go in the outer corner. We're going to do this gold, which is Thrive in the center. And then let's grab Full Sun in the very inner corner. Take this one with my finger. It's really, really kind of glittery. It's kind of where my finger can't reach. I do feel like I lost a little bit of that kind of plum buildup on the outer. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. So which of the looks were your favorite? I know I gave you very basic and kind of a more dramatic one. I think there's a lot that you can do with this palette as far as the colors. Like I said, you could easily go down the rows with the colors. You know, do some really pretty looks with it. My biggest problem with it are these two shades. Very powdery. And it's a pressed glitter. But other than that, I really do like it. I think you could have a lot of fun with it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So how do you win your very own one of these? It's not touch, not swatch, nothing. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name, and so I can know that you are subscribed to the channel, and the secret word, which is PETAL, P-E-T-A-L. So you only fill out the form once, but you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is, like I said, you fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark that you did if you actually did, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your 2 ways are, number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share this with your family, friends, social media accounts. It really helps out the channel grow when you guys do that, and I wanted a way to say thank you. You must be 18 years old or older, or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaways open internationally. I am then responsible for duties, taxes, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. We just had an international winner win in our last big round of giveaways that we did. I do want to draw your attention, especially damaged, because it is an eyeshadow palette. What happens in the mail, I'm not responsible for. So let's have the giveaway go through March 6th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then after that, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll take first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. Then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. It just helps me mail out the prize to the winner. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!